Our topic for today is all about the 5 basic sentence patterns. These are the first example. Joshua brought a book. Our subject is Joshua. Our transitive verb is brought. Our direct object, a book. Why is brought is our transitive verb? It's because transitive verb that require an object or an action. Then why is a book is our direct object? It's because the direct object is the receiver of an action. These are example of is TV plus DO plus OC. They choose Nico their leader. Then our subject is they, and our transitive verb is choose, and our direct object is Nico, and our object complement is their leader. And why is their leader is our object complement? Because the object complement, it renames or give information about the object. Then this is the example of is plus IV. They is our subject and work is our intransitive verb. Why is they is our subject? Because subject is a person or a thing that being discussed or described, and our work is our intransitive verb. Intransitive verb, a verb that does not have an object in a sentence. These are example of S plus LB plus SC. Ding dong looks happy. Why is looks is our linking verbs? Because linking verb is link the subject and its complement. And why is happy is our subject complement? It's because subject complement is describe or provides information about the subject. This is the example of is plus TV plus IO plus DO. Our subject is he. Our transitive verb is give. Our indirect object is me. And our direct object is a ball. Why is me is our indirect object? It's because indirect object, a noun or a pronoun that receiving direct object, and me, where is the ball is given is to me. That's why me is our indirect object.